Forgot your Wi-Fi password and can't connect a new device? Don't worry, we've all been there. That network security key it's asking for is just a fancy name for your Wi-Fi password. I'm going to show you a few super simple and completely free ways to find it right now. So, where's this key hiding? Well, you can usually find it in one of three places. On a sticker on your Wi-Fi router, in the settings of a Windows computer that's already connected, or in the settings of an already connected Mac. Let's walk through each one. First up, the easiest method. Check your router. This is the little plastic box with blinking lights from your internet provider. Turn it around and look for a sticker in the back or bottom. You should see something labeled network name or SSID. That's your Wi-Fi name. Right near it, you'll find the password, which might be called password, network key, or WPA key. This is the fastest way, and you don't even need a computer. The only downside is if the sticker is missing or too faded to read. If that doesn't work, but you have a Windows computer already connected to the Wi-Fi, you're in luck. Go to your Start menu, type Network Connections, and hit Enter. Now, click on View Your Network Properties. Next to Connections, you'll see the name of your Wi-Fi network. Click on it. A new window will pop up. In that window, click Wireless Properties, then go to the Security tab. All you have to do now is check the box that says Show Characters, and voila. Your Wi-Fi password will appear right there. Are you on a Mac? No problem. It's just as easy. Click the little magnifying glass in the top right corner to open Spotlight Search and type Keychain Access. Open that application. In the search bar inside the app, type the name of your Wi-Fi network. When it appears in the list, double-click it. A new window will open. Just check the box next to Show Password. Your Mac will ask for your computer's password to make sure it's you. Type it in, and your Wi-Fi password will be revealed. If none of those methods worked, there's one last thing to try. Logging into your router settings. This is a bit more advanced, but still very doable. You'll need your router's IP address. On Windows, open Command Prompt, type ipconfig, and look for the default gateway address. On a Mac, go to System Settings, then Network, click your Wi-Fi, then Details, and find Router. Type that IP address into your web browser. You'll be asked to log in. The username and password are often on that same sticker on your router, or you can try common defaults like admin for both. Once you're in, look for a section called Wireless or Wi-Fi, and your password will be listed there. Just be careful not to change any other settings. So, to recap, first, check the sticker on your router. If that's a no-go, use a connected Windows PC or Mac, and as a final step, log into your router's settings page. If this free tutorial helped you get back online, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech guides, just like this one. Thanks for watching.